Google just mass deployed an army of AI coders, and most developers have no idea it's about to replace them. It's called Antigravity. Not a plugin, not a chatbot sidebar, a full-blown AI operating system for software development. And the way it works will make your jaw drop. But here's the part nobody's talking about, the pricing. Because what Google is charging for this thing tells you exactly how fast they plan to kill traditional coding. We'll get to those numbers in a second. First, you need to understand what anti-gravity actually is. Picture this. You open your laptop, you type one sentence, refactor the authentication system to support SAML. That's it. You walk away. While you're grabbing coffee, an AI agent breaks that sentence into a full task list. It writes a strategy. It opens your codebase. It edits files across dozens of folders at the same time. Then, and this is the wild part, it launches your app inside a browser, clicks through it, and confirms the fix actually works. All by itself. No prompting, no babysitting, no back and forth with a chat window. One command. Done. This isn't autocomplete. This is a digital employee. Google calls the control center mission control. You sit there like an air traffic controller watching agents work across different projects at once. Assign a task, watch it execute, review the results. Senior engineers assign work. Junior engineers review what the AI built. The developer becomes the architect. The AI becomes the builder. And right now, it's free. But that's about to change. And what comes next determines who gets left behind. Here's the pricing breakdown. Tier 1, the free preview. $0 a month. You get the full IDE on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Unlimited access to Gemini 3 Flash. Metered access to Gemini 3 Pro. One mission control agent. Sounds great until you hit the wall. A 5-hour rolling usage window. After that, your requests get shoved behind paid users. Delays of 2 to 10 minutes. Agent memory wipes when the window resets. Long projects? Forget it on this tier. Tier 2, the developer plan. $20 to $30 a month through Google One AI Premium. This is where it gets real. Priority compute, no waiting in line. Access to third-party models like Claude Sonnet and GPT, and the massive 2 million token context window. That means the agent reads your entire repository before making a single change. It understands everything before it touches anything. Tier 3, the team plan. $30 to $40 per user per month through Google Workspace AI Ultra. Shared mission control dashboards. Your code never trains Google's public models. Unified billing with your existing Google tools. Built for startups and agile teams who need speed without risking their IP. Tier 4, Enterprise. Custom pricing. On-premise deployment inside your private cloud. Fine-tuned models trained on your internal code libraries. Full SSO with Okta or Azure. Every single agent action logged and auditable. This is for banks, hospitals, and defense contractors. Now here's what most people miss. The free tier isn't charity. It's a trap. Google is letting millions of developers build muscle memory on this tool right now. Once paid tiers lock in, switching costs become massive. Your workflows, your agent configs, your team habits, all tied to anti-gravity. So who should actually care about this? Solo developers who want to ship 10 times faster. Startup founders who can't afford a full engineering team. Agencies building client apps in days instead of weeks. Enterprise CTOs looking to cut headcount without cutting output. The use cases are already stacking up. Automated refactoring across entire code bases. Full-stack feature builds from a single prompt. Multi-agent debugging, where one AI writes the fix and another AI tests it. Code migration between frameworks. Documentation that actually reads the source code first. Even prototyping. You describe an app in plain English, and anti-gravity builds, tests, and ships a working version before lunch. And Google is sweetening the deal for early adopters. Hackathon vouchers triple your rate limits for 14 days. Startup credits hand you $300 in free GPU time. First 30-day signups got unlimited agent runs, no cap at all. But that window is closing fast. Paid tiers are coming. The developers who master this tool now will have an unfair advantage over everyone who waits. This is not the next coding assistant. This is the end of coding as we know it. Thank you.